Mom, please do not leave. I need you here with me.
Oh, Ben, I have to go. I will come back very soon.
What if something bad happens? I am so scared, Mom. Ben, Mom will be okay. She is very strong.
Grandma is very sick. She needs me to help her now.
I do not want Mom to leave us all alone.
Ben, come here and sit next to me on the sofa.
Come here and sit with me on the bed, Ben.
I will miss you so much, Mom.
I will miss you too. Dad will take good care of you.
We will have so much fun together, I promise.
Mom, what time does your train leave today?
My train leaves at 3 o'clock this afternoon.
That is too soon. I do not like this at all.
Ben, let us help Mom pack her bag right now.
I will get the warm clothes from your closet, Mom.
Thank you, Lily. You are such a wonderful helper.
Can I give you something to take with you, Mom?
Yes, of course. What do you want to give me?
I want to give you my favorite blue toy car.
Oh, Ben, that is so sweet. Thank you very much.
That way, Mom will think of you every single day.
Do you promise to bring it back to me, Mom?
I promise, Ben. I will keep it very safe with me.
I hope Mom will remember me every day. Mom, I will help Dad cook dinner every night for us.
Okay, everyone, it is time to go to the train station.
My stomach hurts so much. I feel sick, Dad.
Your stomach hurts because you are very worried, Ben.
I am worried too. But I will try to be brave.
We will call Mom every day on video, I promise you.
Every day? Do you really promise me that, Dad?
Yes, I promise. We will see her face every day.
I will show you Grandma on the video calls too.
Is Grandma going to be okay, Mom?
The doctors are helping her. She will get better soon.
Look! We are at the train station now, everyone.
Let me carry your bag to the train, Sarah.
Thank you, Jack. Please take good care of our children.
I really hope I can do this without her.
There are so many people here at this station. Stay close to me, Ben. Hold my hand very tight.
This is my train now. I have to get on it.
No, Mom. Please stay here. Please do not go away. I love you so much, Mom. So very much.
I love you too, Ben. Please be brave for me.
We will be brave for you, Mom. I promise you.
I hate to leave them. But I must go now.
The train is starting to move. Mom is going away. Ben, do not run after it. The train is too fast.
Ben, stop right now! Come back here to me!
Mom is really gone now. I feel so alone.
Yes, she will. Let us go home and wait for her.
My heart hurts so much. I miss Mom so much already.
I know it hurts, Ben. But we will see her soon.
Ben, wake up! Mom is calling us on video right now!
Mom, I can see you. Are you at Grandma's house now?
Yes, I am here with her.
Hi, Mom. We made dinner with Dad last night.
Well, I burned the rice a little bit. Just a little.
It was so funny, Mom. The kitchen was full of smoke.
That is very funny. I hope everyone is okay now.
Mom, do you still have my blue toy car with you?
Yes, Ben. It is right here next to my bed.
That makes me so happy. I feel much better now. Grandma looks much better now, Mom. I can see her smile.
Yes, she is getting stronger every day. Thank you, Lily. I will be home in 2 more days. I love you all.
We are doing okay. This family is very strong.
Dad, I think I can be brave until Mom comes home.
Yes, you can. We are strong because we are together.